Hello my friends, this is Hot Pot Bob here, back with a very special video. Today I am going to cook Thai shrimp fried rice from Trader Joe's and also provide you my review on it. If you like this video, then I may do a series on other great frozen pre-packaged products that they have to offer. Now before we get started, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to this channel right now so I can continue posting more food videos for you in the very near future. Also, make sure to watch this video all the way to the end where I'll give you my overall feedback, review, and rating on this dish. Let's go! If you don't know who Trader Joe's is, they are a national chain of neighborhood grocery stores. The uniqueness of their stores is that they do not carry a lot of brand name items. Instead, you will find unique and quality products at affordable prices under the Trader Joe's label. I could be wrong, but I believe they are located in about 42 states. If you've never been here, make sure to check them out. I come here at least once a week. For those of you who've been to Trader Joe's, share in the comments below how often you go there and what are your favorite items. One of my favorite Asian packaged item located in the freezer aisle at our local Trader Joe's is the Thai shrimp fried rice. It sells for only $5.99 per bag. With inflation getting out of hand, that price point is a breath of fresh air. Keep in mind of realistic expectations since it sells for only $5.99 per bag. Each bag is big enough for one person and it only has a few pieces of shrimp. But for that price point, it is what it is. Also, if you're not a fan of basil, I would avoid trying this dish as that flavor is prominent in this dish. I personally love the smell and flavor of basil, so that is why I really like this item. Now, before I cook this dish, let's take a look at the package and see what's inside. Okay, this is what the package looks like. Spicy Thai shrimp fried rice. Trader Joe's brand. Its net weight is 1 pound, 220 calories. A little bit on the high side, but that's okay. It says about 3 servings per container. If you eat this by itself, I say it serves more like 1 person per bag, but that's just my opinion. Alright, let's look at some of the notable ingredients. Rice, shrimp, some baby corn in there, good. Onions, garlic, basil leaf, green peas, that's healthy. Heavy in seasoning. If you look down there, there's a bunch of heavy seasonings in there. I'll go over that a little bit later on when I do my overall review. A recommendation I have for all of you, since this is a freezer item, the shrimp and the rice in this package comes frozen. What I would do is leave it in the fridge overnight to let all the ingredients thaw and cook it the day after. It provides an opportunity for a better pan frying experience and brings out a better quality in the dish. Let's cut open a bag and see what's inside. You have the pre-cooked fried rice along with all the seasonings and chopped veggies. Now before you start cooking, make sure to transfer the rice into a separate bowl and take out the raw seasoned shrimp that is in a separate package. The cooking process is pretty simple. Simply heat up your wok and add about 1 tablespoon of oil in it. Stir fry the shrimp until it's about halfway done. Make sure not to overcook the shrimp. Throw in the rice into the wok and toss on high heat for another 5 minutes or so. And that's pretty much it. My suggestion for all of you is to not use a traditional wok to cook this item due to the fact that it's a frozen product and the pre-cooked rice gets stuck to the pan way too much due to the moisture. As you can see here, the rice is really sticking to the wok and I'm having to scrape the pan often as I stir fry. Now this is a rare occasion where I recommend you use a non-stick pan instead of a traditional wok to prepare this dish. Look at how beautiful and colorful this dish looks. It actually smells really good also. Okay, it's time for the Hot Pot Bob rating of this dish. Let's start with ease of cooking. I give it an 8 out of 10. Very, very simple dish to prepare. The rating on the rice, I give it a 7 out of 10. Not giving this part a very high rating due to the fact that it was difficult to stir fry as it is a frozen product. There's quite a bit of moisture that was built up in the rice. That's what caused some challenges in stir frying the dish. But for the most part, each grain was not clumped together when we ate it. That's a huge plus. The shrimp, this was probably the star of the show. I give it a 9 out of 10. Very nicely seasoned, tender, and didn't have too much of that seafood smell. Seasoning, 8 out of 10. Pretty highly seasoned. I really enjoyed all of the complex flavors on this dish. Spice level, I give it a 4 out of 10. It had a little bit of a kick, but not too much. That's not really a knock on this dish. Very simple to add some of your favorite hot sauce onto the dish, or even some sriracha if you feel like you want to get a little bit more kick. Overall rating, I give this dish a 7 out of 10. Overall, this dish was very enjoyable. The flavors were all there. Ease of preparing was there. Price point is fantastic. Overall, Hot Pot Bob recommends the spicy Thai shrimp fried rice. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to this channel so I can continue posting more food videos. Smash the like button and hit the bell for notifications. See you all very soon. Bye.